Hey guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome to the channel. So I am not a happy chappy. Not a video I really wanted to be doing today, but as some of you guys may know that I have my panel changed on my B8 OLED, and for anyone who doesn't follow the channel, reason why I had the panel changed on my B8 OLED was I had some dead pixels on it. Got onto LG and they agreed to send a couple of engineers out to swap the panel. Now the guys come out, done that job and put it back up on the wall. Today I've taken the TV back off the wall. As you can see, it is down there, because what I'm doing, I'm putting my Q90R up on that wall and putting the OLED down here to do a gaming comparison video. And by the way, if you do want to see that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Going to be testing out the Q90R versus my B8 OLED when it comes to the Xbox and the PlayStation. But anyway, moving on. Yeah, on getting the TV down, I found something that I am not too happy about, and I'll show you guys that right now. So when we got it down off the wall, I noticed that when the guys have put it back up, they have clearly caught the cable, which is a bit of a concern, because potentially, as much as it hasn't gone all the way through, it's still quite a sort of nasty nick, as you can see. And my concern is that it could potentially short out, especially now that I'm sort of, you know, we've got it down off the wall and it's now moving around. It might have been all right while it's up there. And yeah, furthermore, these cables are fixed. So it's not like I'm being fussy here, because to be honest, if it was just a sort of cable, you know, figure of eight jobby, I would have swapped it out myself and, you know, just, you know, written it off as such and just paid a few quid for a new one. But I can't do that. I mean, it would seem that what's happened is when they've put it up on the wall, they hook this over here. And when they've put it up, this bit is sort of was loose and has moved and has sort of caught it in between there and almost like cut into it. So, yeah, a bit concerning about that. Now, for anyone who doesn't follow the channel, what I'm going to do is put a link in the description to the original panel replacement video, which shows this panel being replaced from start to finish. The engineers doing all that job. Quite interesting. It's been very popular, so you might want to go and check that one out. And also, I just want to point out, I am very careful with these TVs when I take them on and off the wall when it comes to the cables and everything. You know, I've done this loads of times. As my subscribers will tell you, I'm always very careful, and I'm always mindful to check the cable over once I've got the TV down off the wall, just to make sure that there isn't any problems with it, like I did today. And, you know, I spotted that problem. Didn't do it last time because obviously those engineers were here sorting the TV out themselves. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Do you think I should get back onto LG and say that I want a new cable fitting? Or do you think I'm being over the top and you think I should just leave it how it is? Well, there you have it then, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that video today, and if you did, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And please don't go giving it a thumbs down for the problem itself. Give me a thumbs up for the video. And if you would like to see more of the same in the future, including potentially a follow-up video to this one, then think about subscribing. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that bell icon, because otherwise you're not going to be notified of my latest uploads. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.